I've got an Avon calendar unboxing. Now this is the Avon Avon calendar. This is an Avon jewellery Avon calendar. Now this is going to be, or is, £14 in the brochure. So that works out at £1.16, or is it £1.60 something a day? So it's working out around £1 something a day per day, because it's only a 12-day Avon calendar, and we're going to unbox it together and see what we get. It is very pretty. I like how it's got a little thing so you can hang it on something. But yeah, let's unbox this Avon jewellery Avon calendar. I never have no problem with Avon jewellery in my ears or anything like that, but I never really wear them for a long period of time. So we've got day number 1. I've just had to take this whole Avon calendar apart because it was covered in like this cellophane stuff. Yeah, so day number 1 is, so it is a bracelet, and day number 1 is like the bracelet and a crown. So I'm assuming the rest of it is going to be little charms for the bracelet. So that was awkward to get out, I'm going to tell you straight off the bat. So on day number 2, it is a little heart. I'll take them all off at the end and put them on. But yeah, that is a beautiful little heart. I'm going to show you like that because I feel like my nails will get in the way. That is really pretty actually. So we went to day number 3, and it is a feather. Really pretty. So we want day number 4. Day number 4 is another heart. We want day number 5. We have got a bow. Day number 6. Oh, we have a snowflake. That is really pretty. Went to day number 7. We have a star. Day number 8. Day number 8 is a pearl. Day number 9 is a champagne flute. Can you see it? Like a champagne flute. Day number 10 is like, is that like a 4-leaf clover? Day number 11 is like a diamond-y, hanging one. Day number 12 is another heart. I'm going to put them all on the bracelet now and show you them. Right, here it is on my wrist. It can go tighter because I've got the most ridiculous length nails. I cannot get it tighter. Yeah, so here it is here, and actually, you know what? Try and get it to focus. This is really quite pretty. Like, I definitely think this is really quite pretty. Yeah, I like this. It's nice. Right. Do I feel like it's worth £14? It's not a £14 bracelet. You're paying for the Avon calendar, really. You're paying for the experience of opening the doors. I feel like Avon does offers and sales and things like that all the time, so I would wait till it's on offer or something like that, definitely. The Avon calendar itself was very awkward, very hard to get into. They all had these little white tie things on, which made them super tight, and they didn't actually have like individual doors. It wasn't the best made Advent calendar. I feel like it's aimed at like younger girls, teenagers, you know, who are just starting to wear jewelry and things like that. Mind you, my niece, she's 11 this year, and honestly, she's like a full-grown like madam. She wants Pandora. She's got Pandora. I got a Pandora, her first little Pandora ring last year. Yeah, I don't know if kids are just growing up fast. You let me know if you've got a niece or a daughter or anything like that, because when I was 11, I'm positive I still played with Barbie dolls. but she's not like that. I honestly don't know. I feel like kids are growing up far too fast. But yeah, I feel like it's a nice item. I wait till it was on better offer. But I just unboxed yesterday an jewelry like bracelet advent calendar, and it was absolutely trash compared to this, and it wasn't much difference in price. And I really think it's quite pretty. Like actually looking at it on, I really do think it's quite pretty, but I feel like it's just a little bit pricey for what it is. But yeah, but you're paying for that experience of an advent calendar. Yeah, so I would wait till it's on offer or something like that, because I feel like it should be between the £7 and £9 price point in my opinion. I mean, granted, like what do I know really? But yeah, it was something fun to unbox. It's quite pretty, and I feel like I might wear this. I've got a proper charm bracelet though, so I might gift this along to my spoiled niece. Yeah, but anyways, if you like these unboxing videos, I've done quite a few advent calendar unboxing. I've recently just unboxed this one, which is so beautiful. Yeah, and I do unboxing videos all the time too, and I do pound drop hauls and all that jazz. So I would love it if you, oh, and Avon hauls. So I would love it if you could come and subscribe and join my little YouTube family. But anyways, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.